What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, checking me out. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, man. We get it down here, freestyle cooking. You know what it is, let's get it. Okay, y'all, so in this video, this recipe we're gonna do is basically a recipe a friend of mine had shared with me, okay? This guy had took a trip to Maria in the French Polynesia, and he was telling me about the different food he was eating down there. In this particular dish he said he said he loved it. So I took upon the challenge to try to recreate the dish, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always curious about different cuisines. People always give me different ideas of what to make, what to try to make. You know, I just love cooking and being creative and learning new things. So this particular dish is basically, I had to do my little research so I could get it right. But this particular dish is called Poisson cru à lait de Coco. Now, I don't know if I said that right, y'all. But translated, it's basically raw fish marinated in coconut milk. Okay? Real simple, real easy recipe. We about to do it here. Freestyle Cooker Streets. For my man, let's do it. Okay, so on the board, I got me some fresh tuna. You know what I'm saying? Looking all beautiful right here. Nice piece of tuna. And what the little bit of research I did on this recipe, I mean, you could use like any kind of fish, but most of the recipes was using some raw tuna. Alright, so I got some fresh tuna right here. Got me some onions, got me some cucumbers, got me some tomatoes, lemon. And the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to chop up my tuna into chunks. Okay? Just chop them up into chunks like that. You know, nothing spectacular, nothing fancy. Just small chunks like that. Alright? Now, once I got the tuna chopped up into chunks, like so, I got me a bowl of salted water. We'll go ahead and get the tuna in the salted water. And I'm going to let it sit in the salted water for about 15 minutes, alright? Now, normally, I had already had my stuff prepped. So, once you do this, you want to go ahead and cut your onions, cut them thin. Cut your cucumbers, you know, de-seed them, cut them. Same thing with your tomatoes, alright? Now, after 15 minutes, I let my tuna soak. I went ahead and drained the bowl. Now you want to go ahead and take your lemon. Get some fresh lemon juice on that, y'all. And just for this small piece of tuna, I'm using 1 lemon. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes, okay? And what the lemon juice is going to do, the acidity in the lemon is going to basically cook your tuna, alright? So you don't want to overdo the lemon. 1 lemon for this nice piece is good enough, alright? So we're going to get another bowl ready and get everything together. Alright, so now for a few minutes, I'm going to add my onions. Cucumber, tomato, I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. Alright, and go ahead and get that all mixed up and incorporated. Now that everything is well incorporated, I got me some coconut milk. Now, you can get some fresh coconuts and make your own milk. I just had cans of coconut milk, so this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some of that in there. And for this amount of tuna, like I said, for this recipe, I used about half the can. That's good enough. Alright, get that well incorporated. Alright, y'all, and that's it, man. Real simple recipe. I did my due diligence just to get this right. You know what I mean? So my friend can enjoy that same meal he had down in Maria. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all gotta try it. So let's get this plated on up, man. Freestyle cooking with streets. Let's go. Boom. And there we go, y'all. Okay. Got the raw tuna, the coconut milk flow popping with the cucumbers, the tomatoes, the onions. I went ahead and garnished it with a little bit of green onion, you know, which is optional. You know what I mean? Make it my own little touch of freestyle cooking with streets. But hopefully my man likes this, man, and I got it right. You know what I'm saying? It's smelling good, though. I just can smell the flavors popping off to this, man. You dig? So y'all gotta try it, man. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with the latest videos, man. Comment, let me know if you tried it. Let me know what's popping, man. You dig me? And y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go in. I'm about to try for myself, man. You know what I mean? He said it was pop. He said he couldn't get enough. Let's see what I can do. Holla.